To improve user interaction, let's add a hover effect that darkens the background slightly when the user hovers over a chip. Class, chip, and pseudoclass hover, filter, brightness 90%. Now, let's add a slight lift effect on hover to make the chips feel more dynamic. Transform, translate Y, -3 pixels, moves the chip slightly upwards, and cursor pointer changes the cursor to indicate interactivity. This makes our chips feel more dynamic and responsive. To give our chips more depth, we can apply a shadow. Box shadow. So the first value determines the horizontal shadow size, the second value sets the vertical shadow size, the third value adds blurriness to the shadow, and the last value defines the shadow color. And let's also add opacity 50%. We can add a similar effect to the text, but make it more subtle. Text shadow 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 3 pixels, and RGBA, black color with 0.3 opacity. Let's also apply a gradient as a background color. Background, linear gradient, 160 degrees, and then let's pick 2 colors. The 160 degrees defines the angle of the gradient, and the 2 color values create the gradient transition. Experiment with different angles, for example 90 degrees, and color combinations to customize the effect. Lastly, let's implement some chip variants. By default, our chips are filled. Let's implement an outline version. Class chip, class outlined, and this will specifically target chips that also have the outlined class. Background transparent, and border 3 pixel solid with secondary color. To use the outline chip style, simply add the outline class to the chip definition. So span class, chip, and then outlined. Here, the outline styles are applied on the top of the chip class styles. Now we can easily switch between filled and outlined chip styles.